We're really excited at HoverCam this year to be shipping our Pilot X. Here it is. It's a tool that allows a teacher to teach anywhere in the room. Look at this mobility. It's a podium on wheels, it's a computer, it's a document camera, and it's so much more. The podium is even battery powered, and it goes up and down, so it can go to any height. You can even use it sitting down or standing up. What's kind of amazing about it is the tablet itself can be unhinged from the podium, allowing the teacher to teach anywhere in the room. So if I want to go and see what another student is working on, I can just carry it with me over to the other student's area. I've got a book right here. Here we go, the body joints. I have full annotation tools built in. I can annotate here. You can also see the annotations at the board over here. One other thing that's really good about this is not only can I do all of my instruction from the tablet, we do have a whiteboard built in. So if you look behind me, 1 + 2 = 3. I can do whiteboarding here right on my slate. The other thing that I can do is do all the whiteboarding and everything from here. So I can teach here at the board because we have our USB touch technology that's wireless. So I can do all of my teaching even from up here. Zooming in, zooming out, annotations, and even bringing up websites. So with the Pilot X, it's about total teacher mobility. You can teach at the board, you can teach from the mobile wireless podium here, which doesn't touch your Wi-Fi, by the way, it's really good wireless, or you can teach with the tablet. You can even fold this up and put it away, and then the teachers can take this home as their teaching device. So Pilot X, prices start at $2,499. They are in stock. Go ahead and order one for your district today so you can start piloting the pilot.